Welcome to this tutorial. Here are a few simple steps to convert your old VHS tapes to your computer. This is all the equipment you need to convert your VHS tapes. You will need to pick up one of these video cards from eBay. They are really cheap and you'll get the driver with it, which you'll need to install on your computer to be able to use the device. They will have an S-lead cable attached to them. If your VHS player has this connection, you can skip the next step and insert the S-lead directly into your VHS player. If your VHS only has a SCART connection available, you will need a phono lead and a SCART converter. All you need to do is match the colours on your phono lead to the matching connections on the video card. If you buy a cheaper video card, you might notice it's a bit flimsy, so be careful how you lay the leads and don't jog them when recording. This also goes for the USB. On the other side of your lead, attach the SCART adapter to the matching colours on the phono lead. The video card will plug into your computer in a USB socket. If you're on a Mac or desktop PC, make sure you plug the USB straight into the rear or a main 2.0 or 3.0 USB port. Avoid USB hubs and the front sockets on desktop towers. 2.0 and 3.0 ports are faster for transmitting data. They're often marked with a bit of colour on the socket. Make sure you plug your SCART lead into the line 1 TV socket. These will be marked on the rear. It won't work in the other sockets. If you're having problems, try switching it to the other socket if they're not labelled. Make sure your video card driver is installed. Download VLC Player for free online first and install it. Open VLC Player, go to Media and open Capture Device. It should automatically appear with the fourth tab open called Capture Device. Make sure capture mode is set to Direct Show. Set the video source to USB. You will need to make sure that it sees and allows you to set the video device source to the USB, or it won't work. Make sure that the audio device is also set to USB so that you will record the audio that goes with your video. Open Advanced Options to make some settings. There is the picture aspect ratio, the video input frame rate, which is usually 25 frames per second. I input this incorrectly here. You want to set your video signal for your region. For UK and Ireland, this is PAL_I. And click OK. Under Show More Options, you'll see some other settings. If you click play, this will just play your video. So you want to make sure that you click Convert. Make sure that your source is set to dshow //. Settings should be selected with Convert and de-interlace if you've got poor video quality. You can select various different profiles for the output. You'll need to select something that suits the type of footage that you're trying to create. MPEG-4 is usually okay for TV. Within the profile, you can really personalize and go to town with different settings. You can increase the quality as well. You can change the frame rate. You can change the resolution. You can add codecs, etc. It's not entirely necessary to go in, but you might want to double check anyway. So I just selected the folder I wanted to save this into and created a file name. If you select start, it will begin playing. It won't show on your screen using these settings. That's normal and to be expected. I found the best results when I didn't try and view while recording. Don't forget to hit play on the VHS. You can stay in the room whilst it's actually recording. I can tell when it's finished because the VHS is finished. And it's stopped.